Okay, now our apparatus is like kind of ready to go for the experiment, because we have distance between source and telescope objective lens adjusted at 400 centimeter. We have opened wide the slit and we have focused the pattern of the two lines of light which I have just shown to you through the camera. And now, as shown in the observation table, we have to record the readings of micrometer screw, and those are done in two ways. One is while closing the slit gradually we have to record the two positions, and while opening the slit again we have to record two positions, out of which the first position is कि as we go on decreasing the slit width while observing through the telescope eyepiece of the telescope, we will be decreasing the slit width gradually and slowly, that we get the situation ki two lines of light which are seen separately, now they appear like they are merged with each other. That means the resolution between two lines just ceases. Where we get this situation, we will stop. We will record the readings on slit, that is main scale and circular scale, and the combination of two we will write down here as x1 centimeter. Then further from that position we will go on decreasing the slit width till field of view becomes dark, that is almost the slit is closed. We will record that position, that will be treated as x1 dash, and then difference of x1 and x1 dash, that will be your width of slit, that is a1. Okay, these are the two lines of light which are appearing well resolved, that is black portion is separating the two lines clearly, intensity dip is there. Now gradually you see it on screen, I am decreasing the slit width slowly and gradually, and you can see the two lines, they are losing their sharpness, and here at some point they, instead of appearing two separate yellow lines, now they are appearing like one yellow strip here. This is the situation where resolution between two lines is just ceasing. Now they are not sharp and separate. Here we have to stop and record the readings and continue. So you can see very clearly in the camera reading on main scale and reading on circular scale. Both the readings we have to record, and using the formula, that is main scale reading plus circular scale reading into least count, you have to record the final reading, which I will show recorded on the page. So further I am decreasing the slit width while observing through telescope, and I am decreasing it gradually and slowly, so that the second situation I am achieving, that is field of view becomes dark, or just the sodium light, it stops entering into the field of view. This is this situation, and for this situation now we have to record main scale reading and circular scale reading. You can see main scale reading is 0, circular scale reading will be some few lines, 2 or 4, 6 lines will be there. So this is the x1 dash position which we have to record in the observation table. Now gradually we will open the slit so that we can achieve the two positions, that is this one, when light just enters into field of view. You can see this position. I am recording main scale and circular scale reading. This is same like when light stopped entering and now it has entered. And further, while observing, I am gradually opening the slit width on the screen. You can see I have to stop where resolution between two lines, it just appears, or the two lines they start appearing sharp and bright, intense. This is this position, and we have to record the observations for the two different strips, again having separation 0.2 centimeter and 0.1 centimeter are also recorded, and the observation table is as shown. Okay, this is the observation table. When we repeated the same procedure using these strips having the separation 2 mm, that is 0.2 centimeter, and 1 mm, that is 0.1 centimeter. So the three sets of observations we have completed as shown over here: 1 mm, that is 0.1 centimeter, 0.2 centimeter, and 0.5 centimeter. And this is about when the slit is being closed. Micrometer readings we have recorded, and the slit width is this much. Whereas gradually opening the slit, again the readings we have recorded, and these are the slit widths. Average of the two for the particular distance, that is for 0.1 centimeter, what is slit width while opening and what is it when we are closing the slit. Average of the two is taken, and that is recorded in last column. You can see these are the slit widths for corresponding separation of the slit, that is B, 0.1 centimeter, 0.2 centimeter, and 0.5 centimeter. So these are the calculations for resolving power of telescope, wherein we have to calculate theoretical resolving power. The formula is D by 1.22 lambda, and that comes out to be 28,931, because D is given, lambda is given in the chart. And now practically we have to calculate the resolving power. And here you can see for first slit width, that is 0.225 centimeter, B is 0.1 centimeter or 1 mm, capital D is 400 centimeter, small d is 2.08 centimeter, which is actually provided by the manufacturer, and it is straight away measured. So when you calculate the resolving power, it comes out to be 30,309, which is approximately equal to this theoretical value. And that way for two different situations also, that is for 0.2 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter also, you have to calculate the things. And then mean resolving power of telescope, you have to take average of the three. That comes out to be 29340 Armstrong, that is 29,340, that is 340.